Choo choo, boys. Okay, I gotta check my mic is on. It's on. Here we go.